Hey there, my friends. Today, we're going to take a virtual trip to the picturesque Bass Rock Swimming in Muskoka, where nature's beauty is at its finest. Imagine yourself dipping your toes into the crystal clear waters of Bass Rock Swimming, surrounded by lush greenery and the soothing sounds of nature. The Muskoka region is known for its stunning natural beauty, and Bass Rock Swimming is a prime example of that. As you take a refreshing dip, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The tranquil atmosphere is perfect for unwinding and reconnecting with nature. So, pack your swimsuit, grab your sunscreen, and join us on this virtual journey to Bass Rock Swimming in Muskoka. It's a natural, beautiful view that you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more amazing virtual adventures. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring. Walking Tour TC.